Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can launch Microsoft Teams either through the application on your device or via the browser. After that, sign into your account by entering your email address and password. Then you will be taken to the main dashboard of Microsoft Teams. Over here, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the phone icon. After that, you will be directed to the calling interface. Then you will see a dial pad. Over here, you can enter the phone number you want to call. If you're calling a colleague, you can also search their name in the search bar above the dial pad. After that, click the call button next to the dial pad or contact's name. Then Teams will start connecting your call. Over here during the call, you can mute your mic, put the call on hold, or add more people to turn it into a conference call. Finally, when you're done, simply click the red end call button to hang up. So that's basically how you can make a phone call in Microsoft Teams full 2025 guide. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.